beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. Welcome to the channel of self-development, magic, and quirky endeavors. My birthday was last month, so I decided to give myself a vacation from YouTube, and now I feel like I'm ready to ease my way back to YouTube. Today's video is an altar tour. I wanted to have my own altar, a space, an area where I can create and do magic for a long time, but my room is pretty small. I do have some space on my drawer, but it's super close to the window, and I'm always knocking things over when I pull my curtains, so that's obviously not a good place for an altar. So I decided to convert my wall grid and desk area into an altar, and I call this my altar in the sky. And without further ado, let's take a closer look. This is my wall grid and desk area. It also doubles as my vision board. I have objects here that represent my goals, and some objects represent more than one thing. Let's start with the wall grid. So here's how I planned it. I divided my wall grid into roughly 4 sections, and in each section I have things that correspond to a certain element. On the right side I have things that correspond with the element air. I have some air plants over here and over here, and I made all those swirly holders myself. And here I have this picture of beautiful angel sculptures. I really like this artist's work. And this is a squirrel. He's here because he is cute. And behind my air plants, I have these beautiful dream catchers. And here is an air unicorn. This is an art print. And by the way, I drew all these illustrations. These are all art prints. I have them in my Etsy shop. I'll put the link down below, just in case anyone's interested. Wink, wink. This card says, "Air blows. There is more than meets the eye. Trust the soft whispers of your heart, for it will guide you to where you need to be." Moving on, I have some bunnies over here. They're actually from Ostara Decorations. I just thought they were cute, so I put them there. And this is a postcard my friend made. It reminds me of spring. This is a healing unicorn. It carries intentions and energies that help you heal from within. And here's a white fox. The bottom side is for things that correspond to the element fire. I have my wand over here. I don't use it that often, but I want to keep it near me just in case. And here I have a fire unicorn. This card says, "Fire glows. Always tend the fire within. Ignite your soul with your passion and burning desire. Do whatever you can to keep the fire burning." Here I have some acorns because I love acorns. And I have some citrines. And this is a Pokemon. It's a Ponyta, and Ponytas are fire-type Pokemons. This is a special kind of Ponyta. On the left side, I have things that correspond to the element water. I have a shell over here, and air plants chilling on a shell. And this bottle with a lot of bling on it, it contains moon water, full moon water. This used to be an eye drop bottle. And over here, I have a water unicorn. This card says, "Water flows. A drop of water in the ocean is the ocean itself. When you stand in awe at the greatness of the universe, do not forget that you are one with everything." And here I have 2 bunny illustrations. I drew these for a star. I'm keeping them here because I'm still feeling, spring vibes. The top part of my wall grid is dedicated to the element earth. This is a pentacle I made. I made a DIY tutorial video a while ago, and I'll put the link down below. And this is an earth unicorn. This card says, "Earth grows. Plant the right seeds in your inner garden. Nurture thoughts and beliefs that align with your goal. What you plant is what you are going to reap." Moving on to my desk area. This is a money jar I made. There are some cinnamon sticks inside, so it smells super nice. And this is my Mickey action figure, and he's not just any Mickey, he's a Kingdom Hearts Mickey, and he represents one of my dreams. And this is something inspirational. Relax in the knowing. Here I have a cute baby angel. He represents one of my goals as well. And this is a diffuser that doesn't really work. In order for me to smell it, I have to put it under my nose, like right under my nose. So I got this. This is a honeysuckle fragrance gel. This is a jar of mint. I'm trying to grow my own herbs right now, but 2 of my herbs have this bug crisis and I'm trying to save them. This is another white fox. This is Stitch. He's one of my spirit animals. And here's my oracle deck and my business cards. And the sheet of paper on the right is a prophecy poem. I got it when I visited this temple in Elon City. And back here I have a bottle of eggshells. Smells so nice. And some extra strings and cinnamon sticks. And over here I have some dried rosemary, a balm, and 2 lucky coins. These were gifts from Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. I used to work with one of their inner circle consultants. And I put a simple prosperity and money spell on them. So that's my altar. And I'm curious, type in the comments below if you have an altar. What are some must-haves you have on your altar? Do you have a permanent one, a portable one, or one of those super cute teensy weensy tiny travel size altars? I'm definitely gonna make one in the future. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, share it with a friend, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss my new videos. And I will talk to you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Thanks for watching. Bye.